to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to discuss our first question in next exercise. An ion pillar consists of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meter height and 20 centimeter in diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeter height surmounting it. Find the weight of the pillar if 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. So actually what they are given, so cylindrical portion they are given. So for the cylinder, what are the conditions? So height of the cylinder, they are given that 2.8 meter. So let's going to convert 2.8 meters into centimeters. 1 meter will be 100 centimeters. Then what we will get it? 280 centimeter. So that is the height of the cylinder. Then what is the diameter? D will be equal to 20 centimeters. Then from this, what is the radius? D by 2. We can calculate it as 2 divided by 2, that is 10. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So radius is 10 centimeter. So actually radius is from this point. So let's going to take, so this is the radius. So this radius from this point to this point is, so this is the height of the cylinder. So height will be equal to, what is that? 280 centimeters. Then radius will be equal to, what is that? 10 centimeters. So these are the values which we need to find. Then again a cone they are given. So cone height they are given that, so from here to this point, so this is the height from here, then height of the cone will be equal to, height will be equal to, what is that? 42 centimeters. So these are the values. So cone they are given, cone will be, height will be equal to, height of the cone will be 42 centimeter. Then radius, as usual, radius will be equal to 10 centimeters. So from this point, that will be, diameter will be equal to 20 for the cone also. So like this we need to find. So find the weight of the pillar. So weight means, before going to that, first we have to calculate volumes of two solids, that is cone and cylinder. After that we need to add it, then final volume into 7.5 grams we have to take it. So first one. So what is the weight of the pillar? 1 centimeter cube. So for 1 centimeter cube is 7.5 grams. So weight of ion pillar for 1 centimeter of 1 centimeter cube volume will be equal to 7.5 grams. So first find the volume of the cylinder, then volume of the cone, then let's going to add. So volume of cylinder. So let's going to take volume of cylinder will be, we can take it as volume of the cylinder V1, then let's going to take volume of cone will be equal to V2. So based on both the conditions we can find it. So what is the volume of the, what is that? Pillar. Ion pillar will be equal to, so volume of ion pillar. So volume of, total volume, you can take it as total volume will be equal to V1 plus V2. So V1, what is the V1? So volume of the cylinder, that is, so let's going to take cylinder will be like this. Volume means we will get it as complete portion of the circle from top to down. So this is complete one. So what is the area of this pi r square? Then area of the circle is pi r square, it is extended up to height. So for that, area into height, that is pi r square h, volume of the cylinder. For this, volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Let's going to find it. 22 by 7. Radius is what? Radius is 10 into 10 square into height is nothing but 280. So what value we will get it here? So let's going to cancel. 7 ones are 7, 4s are 28, then 40s are. So let's find out this one. 22 into 100 into 40. So this one will be equal to 22 into 4000s. That will be equal to 22 into, what is that? 22 into 4000 will be 88,000s. So what value we will get it? 88,000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Let's move on to the next one, volume of the cone. So volume of the cone will be, so let's find out what is the volume of cone V1. So sorry, V2. So V2 will be equal to volume of the cone. Actually the volume of the cone will be, so it is completely like this. It will be 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. So it will be 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder. So what is the volume of the cylinder? As we know, that is 1 by 3 into pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7, r is 10 square, into height of the cone is nothing but 42 centimeter. So 42. So let's going to take this one as 7 ones are 7 6 are. Then what you can take it again. So 3 ones are, then 3 twos are. Let's find out 22 into 2 into 100. So 44 into 100, that will be 4400 centimeter cube. So then finally, what is the total volume? So total volume of the ion pillar, total volume will be equal to V1 plus V2. So V1 is 88,000 plus V2 is 4,400. So if you add 88,000 plus 400 then 92,400. So what is the volume? Total volume 92,400 centimeter cube. So weight of the, what you can say, weight of ion pillar for 1 centimeter cube will be equal to, what is that, 7.5 grams. 7.5 grams. Then weight of ion pillar for 92,400 centimeter cube will be equal to 7.5 into 92,400. Then 7.5 into 92,400 will be equal to, so 6,93,000 grams. 6,93,000 grams. That means it is approximately 693. So 1 kg will be equal to 1000 grams, since 1 kg will be equal to 1000 grams. That will be equal to 693,000 grams. For that, we can take it as 693 kg. So this is the weight, total weight. So let's going to take total weight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please try to share with your friends and family members.